If you are setting up conversion tracking and need to connect your website or tools properly, finding your conversion ID in Google Ads is an essential step, especially for beginners. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly where to find it and how to use it correctly. The conversion ID is a unique number assigned to your Google Ads account, and it is used to track actions like purchases, signups, or form submissions on your website. First, log into your Google Ads account and go to the main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Tools and Settings. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. This is where all your conversion actions are managed. If you have not created a conversion yet, click on New Conversion Action and follow the setup process for your website, app, or calls. Once you create a conversion action, you will be able to access the tracking details. Now click on the conversion action you just created or want to use. Inside, look for an option that says Tag Setup or Install the Tag. Click on it and then choose Install the Tag yourself. This will show you a piece of code called the Global Site Tag. Inside this code, you will find your conversion ID. It usually appears in a format like AW-XXXXXXXXXX. This number is your unique conversion ID, and you will use it when connecting tools like Google Tag Manager or other platforms. Make sure to copy the conversion ID carefully without any mistakes. Even a small error can break your tracking setup. If you are using Google Tag Manager, you will paste this ID into the tag configuration. If you are adding the code directly to your website, make sure it is placed correctly in the header section. Another important tip is to keep your conversion ID secure and organized. If you are managing multiple accounts, it is easy to mix them up. Always double-check that you are using the correct ID for the correct account. Also, test your conversion tracking after setup to ensure it is working properly. In simple terms, finding your Google Ads conversion ID involves going to the conversion section, opening your conversion action, accessing the tag setup, and locating the ID within the tracking code. This step is crucial for accurate tracking and better campaign optimization. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more beginner-friendly guides that help you understand and use Google Ads effectively.